Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about syntax in JavaScript. So like what things we have to follow while giving, like declaring a variable or declaring any string. What are the syntax that we have to follow in JavaScript? So those things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to create the file. So file name is syntax.html, right? So here in syntax. So first of all, write HTML, and here in syntax, there will be two types are there. Two types, which is literals and variables. Variables. So literals are, for example, letters are 10 or 10.05. So these are literals. So letters are nothing but it is a fixed value. It is a fixed values, right? Once we declare 10, we cannot change, right? It's a fixed values. It's a fixed values. And consider string. String we can write in this way, or in this single quotes also. In this single quotes also. So what I'm saying is syntax will be defined in like syntax will be defined as two types. So the first one is literals. So letters are nothing but fixed values. So the numbers, the fixed values, we are having numbers. And second one is strings. So these all are called literals. These all are called literals. I hope you understand. These all are called literals. These are literals. These are so numbers and strings. So it is well, like both numbers and strings are fixed values. These are fixed values. So these things we consider as literals. Then what are variables? So variables means, for example, let, where. So these are keywords. These are keywords which is used to declare the variables. These are which are used to declare the variables. So these are numbers, these are strings. So all these things are considered as the literals. All these things are considered as the literals, right? And what are variables? Variables. So variables are nothing but alphabets. For example, A to Z, A to Z, and numbers combination. You can declare a variable. You can declare a variables. So how can we declare the variables and what are the syntax rules that we need to follow? So those things we can we will see in this class. So this is the basic introduction. This is the basic introduction. What is literals and what are variables? So what are literals? Literals are the fixed values, fixed values, and in that fixed values, for example, the numbers will be the example for the literals and the strings are the example for the literals. And the variables are A to Z and number combination. We will create a variable, and the variable will be declared by using these two keywords, let and var. Let and var. So I hope you understand. So in title, I will write explanation of syntax in JavaScript, right? So in the body tag, I will write p tag. I will write p tag, and the item is change, right? So in the I will write script tag here, or you can write script and press enter. And here I will write document dot get element by ID. ID is change, and dot inner HTML, and I will write 10, right? For example, I write, I'm doing the literals now. I'm doing the literals. So you can give 10 or 10.5. I will write just see, I have given the with decimal or without decimal. With decimal or without decimal. I will press Ctrl S and click on F5. Click on OK. See, we got 10.05. 10.05, which means you are getting the last statement which you have written. The first one is not getting. So what you have to do is you have to write another P, and in that you will have to specify ID item, and here you just have to change the ID, save it and refresh it. Then you will get the both the details, both the outputs. So in this way we can display the numbers. And how can you display the string? For this also, you just have to write b tag, and you have to display string. You have to specify the ID, and I just have to I have to copy this and paste it here. And in the ID, you just have to write the display string, right? Display string. And here, see, I'll do Achyut, and I'll give plus, and I'll give space here, and I'll give plus, and I'll give Colada. So then what you are doing, it is a concatenation of two strings. Concatenation of two strings, and I'm giving some space in between them, right? Like save it and click on refresh. See, I got Achyut Tolada. So in this way, you can display the numbers and string literals in JavaScript. So this is the syntax that we need to follow to display the numbers and the strings in JavaScript. So this is all about literals. So now we are having I will take here HR tag, which will divide it. And now I will take script tag again. And here I will take let A. So what is the let A? It is declaring a variable. Declaring a variable. The spelling is okay. Declaring a variable using let keyword. So what is it? It is a declaring a variable. It is declaring a variables. So in this way, you have to specify the keyword let, and you have to specify the variable name, variable name, right? So now you have to display a is you have to write a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Like it is like assigning the value to the variable. Assigning, assigning, assigning value to the variable. Assigning value to the variable. Assigning value to the variable. So in this way, you can declare a variable and assigning a variable. So now I'll write b is equal to 20. B is equal to 20, right? So now I'll write c is equal to a plus b, right? So now I will write now I will print this c. We'll see whether it will work or not. And I will print c, right? Let's save it and refresh it. See, we did not get anything. Why? Because you specify only A. You should not you did not specify B and C. That's why it's not working. So you have to specify A, B, and C. So now you are specifying the value A, B, and C. So now it will work. Now it will work. Okay, let's run this program again. Okay, I will just specify the whole thing and between script only, the first script. Right? I'll remove this thing and it's a tag also. And I will let A and let B and let C. So we have declared 3 variables, right? Yeah. Let's see if it will print or not. Oh. Just click on F5. See, we got 30. We got 30. We got 30. So in this way, we can we have to declare the variable and we have to initialize the values, and we can do the arithmetic or you can do arithmetic operations. You can do arithmetic operations. So assigning the variables, assigning variable names, assigning variable names. So the first point is you should not specify hyphen in between the variable name, in between the variable name. So which means, for example, if I specify let full name, see, we are getting the error, right? We are getting the error. So it is telling that you should not use hyphen in between the creation of a variable name, in the variable name. So instead of you can use underscore, or you can use, so it is underscore, and you can use camel case. So camel case means you have to use every word, you have to use the capital letter. The first letter should be the capital. Or you can use the small letters only. All these small letters. All the small letters. Right? You should not use hyphen. Should not use hyphen. So instead of, you can use underscore. So what you have to use? The first one is underscore. And the second one is camel case. And the third one is lowercase. Right? Or you can use lowercase. So these three things you can use. These three things you can use. Right? So I'll use full name. Full name. Full name is equal to Shut Olada. So now you have to print this. Now you have to print the string. So for this, you have to use the display string, and I'm displaying this full string. Let's see whether it will work or not. Click on F5. See, we got Achyut Tolada. We got Achyut Tolada. Or you can use another thing, which is Iron Man, and save it and refresh it. See, we got Iron Man. We got Iron Man. So in this way, we have to declare the variables in JavaScript. So what you have to specify when declaring the variable, you should not use hyphen in between two words. When you specify two words as a variable name, then you should not use hyphen in between them. Instead of, you can use underscore, camel case, or the lowercase letters. So all the letters should be lowercase. So these are the syntax which you need to follow while declaring the variables in JavaScript. So I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.